Established in 2004, Shenzhen Sresky Company Limited is a recognized national high-tech enterprise located in Shenzhen, Guangdong. As an integrated enterprise combining professional research and development and manufacturing, we operate a self-owned 30,000 square meter industrial park and employ a skilled workforce of over 300 staff members. We specialize in producing solar street lights, garden lights, wall lights, and landscape lighting products. Our technical team, consisting of 60 professional research and development engineers, has achieved significant breakthroughs in 3 core technologies: ALS, TCS, and FAS. These technical innovations enable 100% all-weather illumination, ensuring efficient operation even during prolonged rainy and overcast periods. While efficiently launching new products to the market, we offer comprehensive customization services, covering specialized label packaging solutions, material substitutions, color temperature adjustments, and specific modifications to power or brightness modes. Our factory operates 10 advanced production lines with a daily capacity of 5,000 units, strictly adhering to ISO 9001, ISO 14001, and ISO 45001 management systems. Quality control is strictly enforced by 28 dedicated inspectors. We hold over 800 international patents and more than 200 product certifications, including FCC, CB, ROHS, and CE, demonstrating our commitment to technological innovation and compliance. With 22 years of export experience, our business spans over 70 countries with a significant presence in Africa, Southeast Asia, the Middle East, and Northern Europe. We serve retailers, engineers, wholesalers, and global brand companies. By offering 2 to 6 year warranties, we deliver on our service promise with over 99% customer satisfaction and on-time delivery rates. Shenzhen Sresky Company Limited is dedicated to providing reliable, cost-effective solar solutions for global customers.